Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply, and today I want to talk about our brand new, much anticipated, made in Canada, AllSlide Table Wing. Now essentially what this is really simple. It is a budget-friendly sliding table that will fit a wide variety of machines. Now there's two different sizes available. There's a 25-inch, which you saw in the Bandsaws. They have a 17.5 inches worth of travel for your crosscut capacity. And there's also the 30-inch, which is more commonly used on table saws, and that gets you 22.5 inches of travel here. So there's a couple of really neat things about it. We're using our all track, the same track we use for our Little Ripper. Now it has a 3/4 by 3/8 slot in the center. So you're going to utilize whatever miter gauge you already own, and that will go right in there. Now you may need to take off, if there's a little circle retaining disc for a T slot, you may need to remove that, but otherwise the vast majority of standard miter gauges will just fit. It is 6 inches wide, and that 30 inches refers to the total length of this top piece here. And in addition to that 3/4 by 3/8 slot in the center, it has two slots on either side that will fit a 5/16 hardware. With those 5/16 slots, it allows you to build your own clamps, and you can hold down your crosscuts really easily, just like that. When you buy the 25-inch version standard, it comes with two mounting brackets, which is ideal for bandsaws and small rotor tables. With the 30-inch, you get 3 mounting brackets, which allows you to bolt it to the side. So there's different ways you can mount it. You can remove your cast wing altogether, mount it right to the side. You can mount it to the outside of your cast wing, or with an additional accessory kit, you can mount it actually right in the center. Now, things to consider is where your fence rail is. The other kind of neat thing about this all-track sliding table wing here is it mounts against the side of the table. You're not required necessarily to cut your fence rail off. The depth of the track is a 1/2 inch thick. So if your fence rail sits a 1/2 inch or more below the top of your table, there's no reason you need to remove it. So you may be able to get away with that fence rail staying right in place. Now, if you are mounting it in between your table saw and your cast wing, you will need legs to support it. Now, talking about the guides that allow this table to slide, if we open this up, these center guides, the center of my span will be at the center of this hole here, so you can adjust this back and forth to accommodate to where your blade is. So you're going to usually want your miter gauge to go about 1 inch beyond your blade, but you have free movement to move those wherever you need to move. And because there's no bearings or grease or anything like that, if you get sawdust inside the mechanism, it's not going to hurt anything because it's just going to push it right out. So it's using acetal guides as well as UMHW guides here, so a nice slippery slidey surface without the worry of sawdust gumming anything up. Now, the way the movement works on the AllSlide here, you can actually adjust it. If you find it's a little bit too tight or even too loose, you could loosen these off. If it's too tight, you loosen these side bolts off here. They got a lock, oh, they're nice and tight. They got a lock nut below. If you loosen that a little bit, that will allow you to have a little bit more of a freedom of movement there, and vice versa. If you tighten them, same thing. Now, that center guide allows you to do the same sort of adjustments. Now, when you're not using the AllSlide as a crosscut sled, you can take your parts right off here, and you can just turn this into a standard wing for your machine here. So everything on the bottom, everything on the top here, it's a mirror image on the bottom. So when I'm not using this, I can just slide that in the bottom and lock that in so I don't lose it. Right there. And then with these clamps here, these are what you're going to use to lock your table to keep it from sliding. So I'm just going to lock it in here. Okay, and same thing on the back side here. So now that is a static extension for your table saw or whatever machine you decide to bolt this up to. So that is our AllSlide table wing here. It is a really cool product, extremely versatile, because it will fit literally every machine, just about any machine on the market with a cast iron table. Now I do have a setup video that I'll link up top here, but if anybody else has any questions, you could email me at info@stockmansupply.com or just comment on the video. Thanks for watching.
Ethan.
Go ahead.
You designed this.
I did, yes.
Why?
Why did I design it? It's been something I've been thinking about for a very long time, and I knew there was a need for a budget-friendly sliding track, and I just had to figure out how to do it, and eventually I figured out how to do it.
That reminds me of Dad and the sander.
Yeah.
Because he knew he had to come up with a budget-friendly.
Yeah. Every other option is just so
drum
expensive,
sander.
right? So this just is a totally different animal compared to those expensive versions.